Hello friends, this is another tutorial video from important differences in biology. It is for different classes, class 9, class 10, class 11 as well as class 12. This is the part 1, means first part of the differences that I am going to tell you over here. There are going to be many parts of it because there are multiple differences, many. In the syllabus itself there are many differences. So you will just come across so many differences. We will just have a look into this first part just now. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do it as early as possible in order to get the parts of differences one by one. So thank you, and please share this video to as many people as possible. Now, first difference is between dwarfism and cretinism. Dwarfism is caused due to hereditary and metabolic disorder and human growth hormone deficiency. Cretinism is caused due to congenital thyroid hormone deficiency. Dwarfism, the person is mentally normal, but in cretinism it is mentally retarded. In dwarfism, the short stature due to stunted growth only, but in cretinism, the short stature along with sexual abnormalities also. In case of dwarfism, there is nervous system abnormalities. The nervous system is normal in case of dwarfism, but in case of cretinism, it is abnormal. Now, difference between hormone and neurotransmitter. Hormone is a part of endocrine system, neurotransmitter is a part of nervous system. Second point, hormones are transmitted through bloodstream, neurotransmitters are transmitted across synaptic cleft. Hormones act on a distant site from where it is produced. Neurotransmitters reacts in direct proximity to their target cells. In case of hormones, the regulation of target organs and tissues is possible, but in neurotransmitters only capable of stimulating postsynaptic neuron. Now, difference between synapsis and crossing over. This is from cell division chapter. Synapsis is a pairing of homologous chromosomes during prophase 1. Crossing over is exchange of genetic material during this event. Synapsis is followed by crossing over, and crossing over is preceded by synapsis. Synapsis ensures proper segregation of homologous chromosomes, and crossing over allows variation of alleles in a population. In case of synapsis, two homologous chromosomes come together during this process, and crossing over, the DNA pieces of non-sister chromatids are exchanged. Now, androgen and estrogen. Androgens mainly occur in the male body. This is from reproductive system. Estrogens mainly occur in female body. Androgens are produced in testes, estrogens are produced in ovaries. The main type of androgen is testosterone and the main type of estrogen is estradiol. Androgens are responsible for maintenance of male secondary sexual characteristics and estrogens are responsible for female secondary sexual characteristics. Now, difference between Golgi body and mitochondria. This is for class 9 as well as class 11. Golgi bodies are made up of a series of membranous stacks, whereas mitochondria, these are bean-shaped organelles surrounded by double membrane. Golgi bodies composed of cisternae, tubules, vesicles and Golgi vacuoles. Mitochondria have inner membrane that contains finger-like projections called cristae. Golgi bodies are enclosed by a single membrane, whereas mitochondria are by double membrane. Golgi bodies are the secretory organelle of the cell. Mitochondria are powerhouse of the cell. They produce energy. Golgi bodies lack their own DNA. They don't have their own DNA. So they are not autonomous organelles, whereas mitochondria are autonomous because they have their own DNA which replicates. Difference between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. ER. These are of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi, they have two phases, cis phase and trans phase. In ER, the cisternae of ER are interconnected, whereas in Golgi, they are not interconnected. In ER, the SER is involved in lipid metabolism. In Golgi, it is the site for carbohydrate metabolism. In case of ER, Golgi are produced from these ER, whereas in Golgi they are produced from ER. Similarities between these two, both ER and Golgi help to form endomembrane system of the cell, and both are involved in protein maturation. Now, difference between vesicles and vacuoles, this is also from cell biology. Vesicles are found in eukaryotic cell, vacuoles are found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Vesicles are composed of water, nutrients, enzymes, wastes, ions, etc. and vacuoles are mostly composed of water. Vesicles are involved in metabolism, temporary storage of food and enzymes, whereas vacuoles are involved in storing substances, mostly water. Now, nervous system, brainstem and spinal cord. Brainstem is the part of the brain that connects brain to the spinal cord, and spinal cord runs through the vertebral column of the body. Brainstem controls respiratory and cardiac functions. Spinal cord controls involuntary movements of the body. Brainstem is composed of midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata, whereas spinal cord is composed of 31 pairs of spinal nerves. The brainstem outermost region made up of grey matter, while inner region is made up of white matter. And in spinal cord, the outermost region is made up of white matter, while innermost region is made up of grey matter. So that's all for today. Thank you.